Today I'm looking at a very impressive universal USB 3 docking station from TRENDnet. It is their TU3-DS2 model. It comes in this informative box with plenty of pictures as well as features and specifications. As you can see, it's packaged very well. Included is the main unit, and it has a bunch of protective plastic on the shiny parts, a USB 3 cable, a power adapter, also a little connector here for plugging it into the outlet, a DVI to VGA adapter, as well as a quick start guide and the drivers. Now this is compatible with Windows and Mac operating systems. Super easy to configure. Just use the included USB 3 cable, connect it, install the drivers, and away you go. You can have up to two 1080p displays on this, audio support up to 5.1. You've got USB ports on the unit itself, plus a gigabit network port. As well, it, as you can see, is vertically positioned so it doesn't take up a lot of space on your desktop. And by the way, it is not wobbly at all, and I think the overall styling on this is quite appealing. You've got this white and black combination. Now for the techies, you might want to know the standards. Well, it's DVI HDDE, you've got HDMI 1.3, IEEE 8023, 8023U, 8023AB, as well as 8023AZ or Z, and USB 2 and USB 3. It measures in at 195 by 80 by 70 millimeters and weighs 364 grams. Oh, and it comes with a 2-year warranty. There's ventilation along each side, and at the front are two USB 3 ports and the audio jacks for the headphone and microphone. At the top you'll find 4 USB 2 ports, a Gigabit LAN port, a DVI connector, HDMI connector, the USB 3 connector. This one goes to the computer system's USB 3 port. And finally, at the bottom is where the power adapter gets connected. And this rather heavy bottom has an information sticker plus 2 rubber feet. For demonstration purposes, I have a pretty basic setup here with one display. But remember, you can have up to 2 HDMI displays on this, no problem whatsoever. How quick and easy was this to set up? Well, literally, once I had everything connected and with the USB cable plugged into the computer system, it went ahead and found the display link drivers right away, installed everything for me. I had to do next to nothing. If you want to tweak the multiple display setup though, you can do that within the operating system. And as you can see, you can drag stuff back and forth from screen to screen. And note the status LEDs at the front top. If you're looking for a solution to increase your USB ports and give you multi-display support, then this just might be it. I think the overall styling is quite nice, build quality is excellent, and it's not too expensive. Overall, this is a kick-ass product. Until next time, take care.